The print driver contains 7 tabs of features and advanced print settings. The basic tab configures print job types such as original paper size, print paper size, paper source, paper type, destination tray, and orientation. The Basic tab also contains these basic print operation settings: image scale, reduce or enlarge an image, number of copies from 1 to 999, or color, auto, color, black and white, or twin color mode. The Finishing tab sets options to enable copy handling, sort and group printing, two-sided printing, in-up printing, number of pages, sheet and poster print. The Paper Handling tab sets options to enable and use front and back cover printing, insert pages at specific points, and set interleave pages within the copy. The Image Quality tab allows you to select the image quality type for how images are printed. You can select appropriate image quality settings depending on the type of document you are printing. The available setup items for this option differ depending on which MFP is used, color or black and white. The Effect tab allows you to select specific print options that add effects to your print job, such as a watermark, overlay image printing, rotate 180 degrees printing, negative/positive printing, and Smart Print mode for mixed size and orientation documents. The Others tab allows you to choose from specific print options such as toner save draft printing, do not print blank pages, letterhead print mode, department code, import and export custom settings files, restore all defaults, and get printer driver version information. The Templates tab registers frequently used print options first as a profile, and then save profiles to a convenient template button. If you set the Templates dialog box setting, the template screen will automatically open when printing files, simplifying the printing process.